First, lie down on your back. Now use your abdominal muscles and lift your legs up to a 90-degree position. Don't forget to support your lower back with your palms. Slowly allow your middle and lower back to lift off the floor and bring the legs over your head to enable your toes to touch the floor behind you. If you can, try to bring your chest as close to your chin as possible and hold the asana for a while. Inhale while lifting your legs and breathe slowly as you carefully bring your back down to rest on the floor, vertebrae by vertebrae.